Alright, so today we're going to do a Belgas. I'm going to rebuild a Belgas regulator, see what's wrong with this one. Open it up, see what the heck's going on. The wind's a little crazy. I don't know if it'll affect the video much. I might just have to not have any sound on it at all. Because the wind is kind of nuts today. Release the spring. That way we don't have any tension whenever we're trying to take it apart. Wind's crazy. Probably gonna suck the video. Because of wind. So this one was spraying gas out right here out the vent whenever I pulled it off. See if I can't reposition the camera down out of the wind a little bit, maybe. I don't know if that helped or not. Maybe it'll help, maybe it won't, I don't know. I may not even post this darn thing. So that's got almost everybody. This pin will come out, so I might as well just pull it out now. Normally they fall out on their own, but this one right here is going to be stubborn, so whatever. Okay, so that's worse than I expected. This is not good. This is supposed to have a fork in it, and then this here, this is not good here. It blew completely out. What in the world? That's not right. Somebody just put a gasket spring in there. Somebody just put a freaking gasket or diaphragm over the top of it, or it just blew out. Just straight. There's the diaphragm. Absolutely destroyed. And then we have this. This is a total failure. I don't have one of these. So anyway, this is not good. So that means I got to go get a whole new regulator, because I don't have this part. This is not normal wear. This broke off here, which caused that. So anyway, looks like this shaky video is going to end early. All right, there you go.